Hi guys, it's Ivan Biril and this is your home. For today's video, we will be doing a 44 square meter condo unit in Navigator BGC, Taguig City. But before that, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates to my latest projects. Navigator BGC is located near Uptown Mall and surrounded by a recreational and outdoor sports complex including football field and the Manila Paddle Club. When we first came to the unit, it has a black countertop and a laminated wood cabinet in the kitchen. The ceiling was quite low for a typical condo, while the flooring and walls from living area to the bedrooms is on a beige color palette. The common toilet has a corner shower and brown tiles, same color with the master toilet. It has a utility room which serves as a storage room for the family. So our client wants a modern interior design, 3-seater sofa and a TV rack, 4-seater dining set, extension of the counter for kitchen, bunk bed for bedroom 2, queen-size bed with dresser for master bedroom, additional cabinets under the lavatories for toilets, and storage for luggages and bags. Some of the key points is to extend the counter and create a cabinet underneath for excess storage in the kitchen. Then adding some storage cabinet where you can put extra bed sheets and covers and an area for luggages and bags with separate utility cabinet. We place the bunk bed adjacent to the doors, then putting the study table in front to have a smooth flow of activities to this small bedroom. Then placing the closet at the end of the room to make the room more spacious. And this is our final plan. Our idea is to make the room spacious and sophisticated by adding dark features such as black countertop, gray cabinet, and black mirror, but without compromising the visual length of the space. Wall cladding including fluted panel and aluminum profile adds distinction and texture to the wall. Adding some accent colors amplify depth, contrast, and visual interest to the space. To complement with our existing beige style, we also include wood elements such as wood laminates to the cabinets and tables. The design also integrates with clean, straight lines, minimal ornamentation, free from clutter with lighting fixtures that contributes to the overall aesthetics of the space. Now let's take a look to some of the clips during the construction period. So now we're done to our latest project. Come and join me and explore your home. Thank you for watching. Always remember, keep dreaming and believing because one day you will be in a place you can call your home. Special thanks to Veril and Rodolfo family, GCS Woodworks for our modular cabinets, care of Michael and Ann Goloviogo, AIDR Glass and Aluminum for our mirror and shower enclosure, care of Alex Del Rosario, Cassie Window Blinds for our curtains, care of Jerry Segaya, Our Home Mega Mall branch, and Landmark Trinoma branch.